Good day, YouTube. My name is Jason with Falling Forward Financial. I'm here to tell you I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just stating opinion, each to your own opinion. And if you want to invest in the following stocks that I will be discussing, I'm currently a bull on Pfizer and what they're doing with the CV and everything. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, the following links you will see in the description. I trade on a couple different platforms. As you can see, Robinhood, Doe, Webull, Moomoo, M1 Finance, and First Trade. You can all get a free stock, as well as I can get a free stock when you invest a certain amount of money, and it helps to support the channel. To get on with today's, the following articles that I found here, we're going to be talking about Pfizer, the perils of transporting millions of CV-19 vaccines with dry ice across the United States. Transporting large quantities of dry ice can emit carbon dioxide, could pose a danger in airplanes, experts say. As you can see, Pfizer and BioNTech's vaccine candidates require freezing temperatures in order to be effective, according to the companies. That complicates the distribution process in the vaccine, receives emergency use authorization from the FDA. When you order a gift from Amazon, the process of getting the item you purchased to your doorstep is fairly straightforward. By transporting a CV vaccine and or when the emergency use authorization is granted to the United States requires Arctic temperatures. The government, through Operation Warp Speed, has begun the laborious process of modeling various distribution plans for coronavirus vaccines. The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine candidate is one of the three frontrunners currently working their way through the trials. It has been developed in a record 10 months. It has already been granted emergency use authorization in the United Kingdom. Moderna is also developing an mRNA vaccine and has said to be generated a 94.5 efficacy rate in its late-stage trial. Moderna is seeking U.S. and emergency use authorizations for the candidate. A third vaccine being developed is AstraZeneca from Oxford University. A viral vector-based vaccine recently produced some confusing results, with the vaccine appearing 62% effective when tested as originally planned, but 90% effective when a manufacturing error led to a reduced initial dose for some volunteers. Pfizer expects to deliver 50 million doses of its vaccine worldwide by the end of the year, while Moderna expects to deliver 20 million. So again, a couple reasons why I think the stock could keep going up, even though it's been kind of flat trading sideways for quite some time. Again, Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine must be stored at negative 70 degrees Celsius or negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit, and there are two main ways to maintain this temperature: dry ice and temperature-controlled refrigeration units. Dry ice is a financial advantage over refrigeration units. As you can see down here at the bottom of the screen, you can pause the video if you'd like to read more information here. This I thought was kind of interesting. The FAA has said it would allow United Airlines to carry 15,000 pounds of dry ice per flight, 5 times more than normally permitted, the Wall Street Journal reported. So again, United Airlines might be another one to watch through the CV distribution. Here we have, this was also another interesting article. On Thursday, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, a Democrat, revealed that first 170,000 doses of Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, if approved, will be shipped in boxes that are equipped with dry ice and glass vials produced by Corning Glass that are specially designed to withstand the extreme temperatures needed. Corning supplies glass for apples, iPhones. I'm sure you've all heard of Apple. Probably a lot of you already have an Apple phone. So again, I thought that was interesting. Might be another stock also to watch is Corning. And I believe they also give a dividend as well as Pfizer. Again, I thought this picture was really interesting. If you want to read more of the article, I'm not going to read it all to you and bore you. I'll leave the link, and you can also pause it and read it for yourself. But here in Kalamazoo, Michigan, Pfizer has a smaller distribution center located in Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin, as a base for shipping vaccines. I thought this was a really interesting picture. Pfizer constructed what it refers to as freezer farm, roughly the size of a football field, to house more than 350 ultra-cold freezers to store the coronavirus vaccine candidate for Pfizer. And again, you can read the rest of this for yourself, as well as this little demonstration here. As for today, Pfizer looks like it kind of started off, went kind of down like a lot of other stocks that I was watching throughout the day. I mean, Pfizer's been around forever. It's not going anywhere. It has a decent dividend. If you don't like a lot of volatility, trading or holding stocks, I believe Pfizer is a great one to have. As you can see, it's been around since 1849 in Brooklyn, so it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Like I said, it's down the past 5 days. It's been kind of up and down, hit a peak, $43.03. It's down from that as of today. I do hold Pfizer stock in a couple of my accounts. I was trading it, and then I just started holding it. The more news that came out, I have a cost basis on one account of $35.37. If you'd like to see that, I can make another video in regards to that at a later time. But as you can see, it's slowly been on the climb in the last 6 months, as well as a year. This is where the pandemic hit. As you can see, it was at $38, so I mean it dropped, but it doesn't drop too drastically like a lot of other stocks out there. I mean, would have been a great, awesome place to pick it up right there. Like I said, I have it on a $35.37 cost basis. I have a couple shares in a Robinhood account. I have another couple shares in an IRA account. Just looking up here to see when I did buy it. Looks like I bought 10 shares at $35.50 back on May 29th. So that's about the time that I paid the $35 and change on it. And again, as you can see here on Yahoo Finance, kind of what it's done over the last 6 months, year, 5 year. It's just been kind of up and down. I mean, it doesn't too drastically, but if you'd like a good, decent stock, good, steady stock, one that's going to have a great dividend, I believe Pfizer is the one to hold. Again, this is not financial advice. You can make up your own decision. It does have a great dividend on it. Like I said, I do have it in a couple of my accounts. It does have a good dividend here. It's showing a 3.63 yield as of today. Again, it's a pharmaceutical stock. It's been around since 1849, so I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Again, if you'd like to support the channel, like I said, I have the following links down below. You can pick a platform if you haven't heard of them. Leave a comment. Also leave a comment in the comments that you subscribed, what you thought of the video. In regards to the trading platforms that I left links, if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer your question. Again, thank you, and I'm just kind of getting my channel started and thought I would start with a good one as Pfizer. I thank you and have a great day. Happy trading. Stay green.